In this video, I'm going to show you how to level up pets fast and grow a garden. Step 1. Use XP gears and level up lollipops. Let's start with a simple one, XP gear. Go to the shop and grab XP boosters. Equip them on pets like owls or capybaras to make their XP gain even stronger. And don't forget the level up lollipop. It's best used when your pet is at a high level, since XP requirements get way harder later on. Step 2. Use ostriches for fast growth. Next up, ostriches. They're amazing if your pet is still an egg or just hatched. Ostriches give a big age boost, helping your pet grow faster. You can also pair them with starfish to unlock pet slots quickly. Even if your pet's not new, this combo still works well. Step 3. Take advantage of mutations. Here's something many players overlook: mutations. If you hatch a pet and it's golden, rainbow, shiny, inverted, mega, or tiny, that's a win. These special mutations give extra XP boosts, and sometimes cool passives too. So if you get one, use it. Step 4. Sea turtles for passive XP. Let's talk about sea turtles. You get them from rare summer eggs, and once placed in your garden, they give XP every 10 minutes. It's random which pet gets the XP, but it's completely passive, so you can just leave them running in the background. It's not the most accurate method, but it helps a lot over time. Step 5. Capabaras for XP bursts. One of the best pets for fast leveling is the capybara. They give a huge burst of XP and also keep your pets from getting hungry. Place multiple capybaras in your garden to power level your pets quickly. They're less consistent than owls, but the XP they give is way higher per pet. Step 6. Blood owls for consistent XP. And finally, don't forget about blood owls. They give XP every second to all your pets. No effort needed. Just place them in your garden and let the passive XP build up. They're perfect if you want a slow and steady way to level up all your pets at once. And that's how to level up pets fast and grow a garden, with 6 powerful and easy methods. Try combining them for the best results. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more grow a garden tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck leveling up your pets.